the very first method is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now try to open the game and check whether the crashing or other issues is resolved or not. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If there is any internet problem and if you are using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once, or you can go to mobile data or do vice versa and then check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info and then click on force stop. So this will force stop the game. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. Next method is to check if your game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Order of Kings 2 RTS combat game, and here you should check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. If you still face the same issue, you can install a VPN app to access the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of apps available over here. Install any one of it, log into it, change the location, and after that try to install the game and open it and launch the game and try to play it and see whether it's working or not. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings, go below, click on system update, and here you will see if there is any update available. Now the process may differ from phone to phone, so make sure you check if there is any update available for your phone OS, and after updating your system OS, check if the game is launching or not. If not, and the issue continues again and again, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once you have done this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Order of Kings game, and finally click on the install button and then check if it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.